friends, Namaste, this is Lakshmi again. Friends, today I'm going to teach you Ashtanga style of sun salutation. In Ashtanga style, there are two types of sun salutations, sun salutation A and B. Ashtanga style of yoga is founded by Pattabhi Jois, an Indian yogi, and this type of yoga is specially trained and practiced in Mysore, Karnataka. So it is also known as Mysore style of yoga and also known as Vinyasa flow or Vinyasa sequence. So let's learn about sun salutation in B series. Stand in front of the mat. Take a deep breath in. Look at your hands. Breathe out. Bend from the hips. Drop your head. Breathe in. Lift your head. Bend knees. Step back to plank. So engage your core. Knees down, chest down, and stretch spine up into cobra. Breathe out, down dog. Breathe in, step forward, lift head up. Breathe out, forehead to the knees. And deep breath in, look at your hands. Back to Samasthiti. Okay friends, so this is sun salutation A series. In this, when we are doing the plank, we stay here and we are doing knees down, chest down. This is actually called Chaturanga Dandasana. So for that, the beginners can do like knees down and then chest down, rise up. But as you practice, you need to just take the body from plank. Slowly take your body down into Chaturanga and stretch up into Cobra. This is how we need to do, and this comes with practice. Okay friends, so now we will try Ashtanga style of sun salutation B series. Stand in front of your mat. Separate your legs hip distance. And take your hips back as if you're sitting on a chair into Utkatasana or chair pose. Breathe in. Breathe out. Fall forward. Breathe in, lift head up, bend knees, step back, or even you can jump back to plank. Lower your body to Chaturanga. Breathe in, Cobra. Breathe out, down dog. Bring your right foot front, turn your left leg perpendicular and stretch hands up into warrior one. Hands down, take the leg back into plank and take a vinyasa, Chaturanga, Cobra. Breathe out to down dog. Bring your left foot between hands and turn your right foot perpendicular. Stretch hands up into warrior one again. Hands down. Take your leg back and last time take a vinyasa, Chaturanga. Cobra. Breathe out to down dog. Step forward one leg at a time or Jump forward and breathe in, lift head up. Breathe out, forehead to the knees. Again, breathe in, take your hips back. Stretch hands up into Utkatasana one more time, chair pose. And relax back to Samasthit. Okay friends, so we have seen Sun Salutation A and B series of Ashtanga style. So you can learn and practice. Thank you for watching. Namaste.